model, 67-plate Ford Transit Custom 290 limited factory-fitted crew cab engine knocking VAT included. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 128560. MOT, the 29th of November 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,625 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,